In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion daily log. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks, thoughts, and projects, and creating a daily log is one of the best ways to keep track of everything in your day-to-day life efficiently. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to optimize your workspace, this guide will take you through the process step by step. First, let's visit the Notion app on your device, or simply head over to their website. Once you're in, you're going to want to navigate to the templates option. Think of templates as pre-made building blocks that help you save time on setup. They come in handy when you want to quickly establish a few pages or logs without building everything from scratch. Now, finding the right template to suit your needs can hugely streamline how you use Notion. After opening the templates page, you're going to want to search for daily logs. The search bar will be your best friend here. As you type in daily logs, Notion will populate a list of templates related to what you're looking for. Browsing through these can get you acquainted with various designs you might not have considered. This variety allows you to choose a template that's not only functional, but also visually appealing and suited to your personal style. Once you've sifted through the available options and found a template that fits your needs, the next step is simple. You'll see an option to add the template to your workspace. Click on the Add button, and like magic, the template will be incorporated into your Notion setup. Keep in mind that adding a template doesn't just copy over a new page, it also embeds a powerful structure that integrates seamlessly with the rest of your setup. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a daily log to your Notion workspace. This log can serve as your central hub for daily productivity. It allows you to track tasks, jot down thoughts, or record accomplishments as they happen. Remember, you can customize this template even further by adding different elements that cater specifically to your needs. For example, you might want to add a gratitude section, a space for daily goals, or a simple checklist. Notion's flexibility is what makes it a standout tool. That's all there is to it. By leveraging the power of Notion's templates, you've made the process of creating a daily log swift and efficient. With this in place,